Hey man, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be about my perspective on why the Mopar content is dying, and it's the real truth. Also, I'll show you what mods I've already done and some of the progress I'm making and trying to make this a little bit different. Trying to do the same old content, but yet give you guys something new. So stay tuned for the video. Hey, what's good, man? If you heard from the intro, man, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update of what I'm doing to my 392 and also talk to you guys a little bit about why the Mopar content is dying, man. I had a video up that I took down for some copyright issues. So one of the comments was, you know, it looks like every other 392 out here today. And it probably does, but I tried to put my own personal touches on it, but this is what I've done so far. As you know, my theme is kind of black and purple. And I'm, it's a work in progress, excuse me. So we'll start back here. Looking at those purple spikes and center caps. Got new center caps on the way. Got some plans for those brakes for the calipers. Got 392 badge coming. It's gonna be different. Digging that purple stripe in the world's biggest banner on the front. If you're first time on my channel, man, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm trying to get to 800 before the end of the month. All right, the newest addition, this front splitter, man. Gloss black. I think it looks pretty good. I think this real nice, gives it a new aggressive look, but some pitfalls with it. You gotta make sure you watch those speed bumps and curves and stuff. Yeah, as you can see, it's a little dirty. Fingerprints all over the place. Yeah. All right, so this is my own little personal touch. Adding that purple to the rear diffuser to go with my purple exhaust tips. That rear diffuser. Again, there's another banner on the back, so you can see it coming and going. Hey, but again, like I said, I'm gonna get into the real part of the video and talk to you why, in my opinion, Mopar content is dying. Yeah, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, so as you guys heard from the intro, this is just my honest opinion about the Mopar content on YouTube, man. It's pretty much dead. There's nothing original coming out unless you're bashing Stellantis, the dealerships, or talking about some issues that you're having with your Demon 170. But other than that, all the content is the same old content that we've been putting out for years. If you go back and look when I had my 19 Challenger, same mods, pretty much. The 21 Charger, pretty much. The Mustang, pretty much the same type of mods. People are not really looking at those type of videos, or even if they are, your vehicle is looking just like everybody else's. So those of you that are YouTubers, you understand it's hard to get original content. A lot of the car enthusiasts, content makers have changed directions on their channels and start doing stuff like reaction videos and stuff like that. I know Hemi Life 44 had did a tribute to his early years of YouTube, which I thought was a great video. Probably some of the most original content I've seen in a while, other than some type of mods, burnouts, donuts. Only other original content I can think of right now is engine swaps or taking a crash when in building it. But that's just my opinion or my truth about YouTube content and Mopar. It's definitely dying, it's definitely dead, but I'm gonna continue on. And yeah, man, let's see where it goes. So if this is the first time on my channel, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the next video, man. Peace and blessings.